And you mentioned obviously Brexit there. Don't worry, I'm not going to grill you on politics or anything. But
we could talk about it all night if you want.
yeah, I was going to say, like, you know, being kind of away from Ireland, what's it like looking at everything that's happening here? You know, that obviously connects with topics in the movie too, but watching the politics and everything that's going on at the moment.
It's a concern.
Yeah.
Certainly with what's happening with Brexit, what's happening with the British cabinet.
Yeah.
Our new Prime Minister here, I think, is fantastic. I really do. And I just hope in the north of Ireland, where I'm from, that this devolution will happen. It has to happen, you know.
Yeah. It's a kind of a strange time because there's nobody really in power there.
Precarious.
Yeah.
It really is, yeah.
And would you worry about the impact on like the film industry then, for example?
Of course.
Yeah.
Especially now that the world knows about Northern Ireland.
Yeah.
There's my driver today was telling me there's 56 cruises booked for next year to land in Belfast, so that Chinese, Asians, all these extraordinary countries want to come and see where Game of Thrones was shot. You know, that has a trickle down effect to every job, every industry in the north of Ireland, and indeed the rest of Ireland.
Yeah.
So we've got to work on that, build on it, you know.
Yeah.
We can't mess it up.